What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes, and today we start an adventure. We are going to Dominican Republic to get married, which is kind of crazy, but it is happening. And we're gonna vlog it. It's gonna be a little different. I'm not sure if we're gonna post this to the channel or not, but I'm gonna film it like I will. And we're just gonna capture our adventures. We'll be there for a few days, and it's gonna be super fun.
I'm super stoked. Dominican, here we come!
So let's start off. We're gonna grab some breakfast with Alex, Brittany, and then Alex's brother, and we'll vlog some of that as well. And this is gonna be a little different because I'm not used to vlogging, but you're gonna see my entire family. That should be fun.
Let's see how it goes. Go, Po!
God, I got that. There's my buddy. What's up, buddy?
Are we ready to rumble?
Hey.
Hey!
Woo! It's time to get some breakfast. Breakfast!
So we just came from a Sunset Grill breakfast. It was a very good breakfast. I had to eat fruit and I couldn't get coffee, unfortunately, and I'm a little upset about that.
Why?
Because I went in my teeth. Now we gotta go to Walmart and pick up some last minute stuff, like a bubble mug, because
And water shoes.
no, we're not getting water shoes. They think we're gonna be swimming in like the Atlantic.
I need water shoes. Oh my god, I need water shoes.
It was so
What a fucking geek.
Wait, can we stop at Urban Kids Outlet? Me and Brittany need some clothes. Oh my god.
Why'd you bring a compass? Listen. Why'd you bring a compass?
It's the key that I had when I went to England.
Why'd you bring a compass?
It's the key that I had when
This
I
guy
went
brought
to
a compass
England.
to Dominican. The resort's big, but it's not that big where you need a compass. Successful. We left with some bubble mugs. Apple Pay didn't work at Walmart, which is complete trash. Alex came in clutch, and then you e-transfer. There you go. All right. We're on our way to the airport, and we did a vehicle switch. Now we have everything fitting in here, luckily, because the TL might have been a little too tight, and we didn't think about this. And we are making our way to the airport, and you guys, I guess we'll see when we get to the airport. So
Should be fun.
now it's starting to feel real. We're here at the airport.
Bobby.
I think that's Chanel over there. Daniel's We parked at one of these park this guy places, and they're rushing us, so we gotta run to get into the thing because we dropped off the girls and Andrew, and they're rushing us. So we're running. This is an adventure at its finest, and this GoPro's doing work. Jesus Christ, we are in the airport now. We gotta find everybody. Now, where do we go? Me and Alex are probably one of the last ones here, so we're gonna be best for last. So this should be quite interesting. And yeah, super excited to be here. This will be really cool. What's up?
Whoa, what's up?
This is my dad, the YouTube sensation right here himself. What's up?
Alrighty. Look.
And there's my mother. What's up? All right, we've made it. Oh, we're not in yet. We got to go through the checkout and all that type of stuff and go through customs. And wish us luck. We made it through, and now we are going into the duty free, and we're gonna meet up with everyone. This should be a very interesting experience. I have 70 people coming to this wedding, friends, family. So this is gonna be really cool. What's up?
I just ate some Chinese food that wasn't made by a Chinese guy. And it's garbage.
That's my grandmother.
Say hi, Popo.
Vou precisar dizer hi.
Diz hi.
Isso é vídeo. Ai, tá bom. Wagwan.
There's nothing really.
Wagwan. Wow, you guys would be matching. You guys are such losers. Wow. Like, I knew you would be wearing socks and shit. Natasha, why are you guys matching? You're such losers. Alexandra, look, they're matching. Look at their shirts. There you go. I'm gonna get one very soon. Oh, there you guys are. What's up? Oh, what's up? Hi. Dot props. Props. I have to leave instantly too. So again, super hot. Now we need a drink. I know you guys. I've seen you before. Right here, look. Success. We got La Cerveza. Oh, JJ. You got the 4 wise men here. This doesn't happen very often with us 4 flies. All right, so I'm not gonna take a shot yet. I gotta stay somewhat sober. But ching ching for the schnitz-camoose. Enjoy, guys. My dear, we're loading. We're coming on the plane. What's up? We've officially landed safely. We are in Dominican.
Have a good night, have a good weekend too.